You just can't make this shit up. So, on time? Yep. 3-hour seat? Yep. Is the train coming today? No. Not until 6 o'clock tonight. Because signal box is down. So what are we going to do? Well, go bicycle? Just cycle for the next hour and a half. So it's so arse. Maybe I'll spend the rest of the day bloody sitting down in a truck. You see, the thing is, sugar. Oh, no sugar. I'm relentless. So, I guess it must be made out of bamboo. Or maybe titanium. I just keep bouncing back. So, whoever it is up there testing me, don't test me. I'll just pass with flying colours. Anyway, if there's any young ladies and gentlemen out there who's still virgin, don't worry. Life will shag you in the end. Have a good day.